A bright parrot flew. Hickory, dickory, dock. The parrot perched on the clock. The clock struck 3. It squawked and flew free. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick.
A crab. Hickory dickory dock. The crab went up the clock. The clock struck 2. The crab went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Hickory, dickory, dock. What love did you have? Hickory, dickory, dock. The giraffe stood on near the clock. Its body was so high. Its head seemed to touch the sky. Hickory, dickory, dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.